and welcome to Property Cloud. I'm Roshni and today I'm here at Godrej Lakeside Orchards, an iconic residential development which is located on Sarjapur Road right in the heart of Bengaluru's IT corridor, which is also known as the Silicon Valley of India. In this video, we are going to discuss project overview, location advantages, amenities, pricing, booking offers, and much more. And let's start with a quick overview of the project. Godrej Lakeside Orchards. It's spread across 15 acres of land parcel and it comes with a spacious home, nature-inspired apartments and much more. This development features approximately 6 acres of orchards with over 700 plantation, that means around 1 acre of plantation, along with a spacious 47,200 plus square feet clubhouse, which is ground plus 2 designed for leisure, wellness and community activities. And talking about the location advantages, this project strategically located on Sarjapur Road, which is one of the Bengaluru's most preferred residential hub, which gives you excellent connectivity. Like this project is close to Bengaluru's top IT and ITES hubs, Prestige Tech Park, excellent connectivity through ORR and PRR, which is upcoming, and Metro Phase 2 extension. Wellness Champion Hospital is just 9 minutes away, Harvest International School is just 6 minutes away, and Carmel Aram Railway Station is just 9 minutes away. And talking about the amenities, this project offers you well-curated lifestyle amenities like a grand 47,200 square feet clubhouse, orchard-themed landscapes, walking and cycling trails, indoor and outdoor sport courts, kids play zone, wellness and fitness amenities, community spaces, and senior-friendly zone. And let's talk about pricing and configuration. 3 BHK plus 3T with the build-up area starts from 1790 square feet up to 2260 square feet. Price starts from 2.17 crore onwards. And talking about the payment plan, this project offers you 20-20-60 payment plan, which is available for limited apartments. And this developer is India's most trusted real estate developer, which is known for its green certified projects and sustainable projects. And now let's take a look at the sample flat. So this is your 3 BHK sample flat of Godrej Lakeside Orchards, and let's start from the entrance. So this is your foyer area, which looks very neat and wide. And now let's go to the living room. So this is your living room, which looks very bright and it's very spacious, and attached to this you get the balcony over here. And right next to this living area, you get the dining area over here, which is perfect for 7 to 8 members. And now let's take a look at this open kitchen, which looks really very spacious. And here you get the space for your refrigerator, and look at this cabinet. So you get the L-shaped kitchen over here, which comes with a large window, and also you get attached dry balcony over here. And now let's take a look at the first bedroom. So this is your bedroom 1, which comes with a large floor-to-ceiling windows with the safety railings, and it's the perfect spot for your bed, and this place is for your wardrobe. And overall, this bedroom looks very spacious and very airy and bright because of this large window, which gives you natural light and cross ventilation. And now it's time for the second bedroom. So this is your master bedroom, which comes with an attached washroom. And also this master bedroom comes with a built-in wardrobe and also comes with an attached balcony over here. And this is the perfect spot for your side table, and look at the TV unit. Still, it looks very spacious. And you have the common washroom over here. And now it's time for the last bedroom. So this is your third bedroom, which is perfect for your kids, and it comes with attached washroom. And you also get the large window over here with safety railing for your kid. And overall, this space also looks very spacious, and also you get here the wardrobe space. If you like this video and want to know more about this project, do click on the link below So we will connect you in the further process. Property Cloud is a PropTech company which directly connects you with the developers for simplifying your home buying process. It also gives you benefits like spot discounts, zero brokerage, free pickup and drop services, and much more. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more luxury property updates.